If you want to create a modernistic and a quality flyer for your business, schools, church, or your store, your business, you don't have to hire a graphic designer or go to a printing shop to help you create a flyer for your business. For the sake of you want to upload it online, you can create a flyer like this one, this one, and this one, and this one yourself using your mobile phone. Whatever I'm doing on my system here, you can actually do them on your mobile phone and download them. Let's get down to my screen. This is the prompts I want to use. So if you need these prompts, I can leave it. I will leave it in the description below, so you can copy it and use it to train yourself or to test it out, so that when you know how to do it, you can just diversely or conveniently edit your own or create your own. Create a modernistic flyer for my business. I'm selling kitchen utensils in my store. They can order on my WhatsApp and get all these informations. So the flyer should be 1 by 1, that is, it will be square in nature. So if you want it to be portrait, you let it be 9 by 16. If it's landscape, it will be 16 by 9. So but I want it to 1:1, 1:1. So and then choose the create image feature and then hit on send. So this is a design which I don't really like the visual. So let's assume we are going by this. You click on download. It will pop up the download button, and then if it has downloaded, if you want another one, because you can send another one. If I say it should recreate, let me paste the prompt again. If you create a modernistic, let me zoom my screen. Create a modernistic flyer for my business. I'm selling kitchen utensils in my store. So let me send and see another image. You will see that the image will keep being the same. So I will show you another tactics you can use to stop AI from forgetting what it has been designing for you. See, so that means open new chart here. Open new chart, because sometimes AI may or will always be very stubborn as to creating same thing for you. So create a modernistic flyer. Okay, let me say my brand color is blue, black, yellow and white. So what else? Use real image. Use realistic. Let's use the word realistic image of different kitchen utensils and not vectorized image. So let's go. So this one image. So another thing, so if you want to use ChatGPT, let's say that's in prompts. Let me copy the prompts I used here, and then I will head over to ChatGPT. So if you are not satisfied with what you have there, go over to chatgpt.com, log in with your email, log in with your mail, and then boom, I'm in. It's still loading. I'm waiting for it to transform this page, and so that I can leave here. Yes, so that's it. Prompts, paste it here, click on create image, and then let's go ahead creating image. So you can see what we have here. So this is the first one. So if you want to go again, maybe you want to design for another business, so you can copy again and then paste it here. Create a modernizing flyer for a business. I'm selling, let's say, what are you selling? Let's say I'm selling books. No, let's say in this one is kitchen. I'm selling shoes. I'm selling shoes and other unisex wears. So what are things that I need? Use realistic image of different wears. So let's send. So it has fully generated our image. So let me scroll down. You can see what we have here. So if you want to download it as well here, just come to the download button here and it will download. The one thing I love about ChatGPT is the image from ChatGPT is always of high quality. Like, I want the design, I'm not saying the download size. The design is always dope, like Tabani. Something dope, something is good. So I love the design. So let me go back. So something, if you want to, let me paste again. If you don't want, let's say your brand color is not same as black, yellow, that means just come here and change a lot of things. Let's say this time around what we are selling is what other store? Foodstuff and groceries. In my store they can order on WhatsApp, blah blah blah. My store name is my phone number, email address, discount price available on every Friday. Flyer should be, my brand color is. So if you don't want to specify your brand color, just delete this. Use the realistic image of different food items and groceries used in Nigeria, and not vectorized image. So you can see, so when you want to do it, you can just adjust the prompts to suit your home business particularly. So let's go and create. So you can see what we have here. So if you want to download it, download. So if you want all this prompt to how I get this image, rather, as if you want the prompt for all these images, just let me know in the comment section. I will send it across to you. All right, so that's fresh quality. You can see I love this design particularly. So that's that. What other things will I love you to hear here? So if you want the prompts, let me know in the comment section. See you next time.